Okay, welcome back. This is warm-up number 2. So we're going to go back to what we were doing. How many layers of 6 cubes are in the prism? Okay, so when we talk about layers, we had talked about how you could decompose this in different ways. So the way that we're talking about, you have to count which layer has 6 cubes. Is it this top layer? Wait a minute, that's 8. No, it couldn't be that one. So, oh, here it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I see 1 layer's here. So hopefully you can count the layers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many layers of 6 cubes are there? 4. 4 layers times 6 units cubed equals 6 times 4 is 24 units. This is taking a long time to write with my pen. Units cubed to the 3rd power. Okay, how many layers of 8 cubes are there? Okay, so now with my non-example, I had counted that top layer and there were 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now you can see that the layers go this way. Here's 1 layer. I'll let you count the rest. How many layers are there altogether? If you said 3, you were correct. So 3 layers times 8 units cubed would give you, the same, which makes sense, right? It doesn't matter which way you multiply it. You're going to get the same answer because of if you said commutative property of multiplication, you were correct. Now, finally, how many layers of 12 cubes are there? So how can you look at that and decompose it so that you're looking at 12 cubes? Look at that front face there. That's 3 by 4. You see the array. There's 12. So now you can see this layer is 1, and the back layer makes 2. So there are 2, and write a multiplication sentence to find the volume of the prism, starting with the number of layers. So there were how many layers? 2. 2 layers times how many cubes in each layer? 12. So that would be 12 units cubed equals, you guessed it, 24. I'm going to write U for units. Hope you don't mind. Cubed. And we can move on. We're going to skip that one because I think we get it. And now we're ready for the lesson here. So the video is going to cut me off, but that's okay. You guys will I'm getting used to this. So we're getting used to this together. So how is this rectangle different from the rectangles we've been working with? Give you a second to think about it. If you said that they involved mixed numbers, you were right. So that's a whole number with a fraction. So number 2, use an area model to find the area of this rectangle. And if you can't remember what an area model looks like, I will help refresh your memory. So you can think about that and even give it a try right now. Go ahead and write that problem down and try to do an area model, and then play the next video to watch me solve using an area model. See you soon.